Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the headphones Realme Buds Air Pro 5 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store, then go to search, click on search line and write Realme link. Then click install. Then open it, agree and continue, choose your location, click next, got it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!